Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the average rate of change. This fundamental concept helps us understand how one quantity changes in relation to another over a specific interval. Think of it as finding the overall trend or movement between 2 points on a graph. We'll explore its definition, the simple formula used to calculate it, and how it applies to various real-world scenarios. It's a powerful tool for analyzing data and making informed observations. Let's break down the formula for average rate of change. It's quite straightforward. You take the function's value at the end of your interval, subtract its value at the beginning, and then divide that result by the length of the interval itself. So, if your interval is from A to B, the formula is f of b minus f of A, all divided by b minus A. This gives you the average steepness. Visualizing the average rate of change can make it much clearer. Imagine a curve on a graph. When we calculate the average rate of change between 2 points on that curve, we are essentially finding the slope of the straight line that connects those 2 points. This line is called a secant line. If the line slopes upwards, the rate is positive. If it slopes downwards, it's negative, showing a general decrease. The average rate of change is incredibly useful in many real-world situations. For instance, in physics, it helps determine the average velocity of an object over a specific time period. In economics, you might use it to calculate the average growth rate of a company's revenue over several years. It provides a clear, single number that summarizes the overall change, making it easier to understand trends and make predictions across various fields.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.